Structure your workouts, determine your pace, push your limits, surpass your goals. With the new Life Fitness T-Series treadmills, you can achieve it all without ever leaving the comfort of home. Built on the exceptional performance and durability of our best-selling Health Club treadmills, our new home line provides the ultimate freedom to personalize your workouts and exceed your fitness goals. Custom workout programs, personalized user presets, workout history tracking, and the workout variety you need to stay motivated and stick with your exercise plan. Life Fitness treadmills offer up to 18 different pre-programmed workouts, so you'll never get bored and never want to miss a workout. Random, hill, fat burn, sports training, 5K run, weight loss, easy incline, heart rate interval, and the popular 10,000 steps program recommended by doctors for better health, cardio fitness, and weight loss. It's like having a personal trainer there with you every step of the way. The new Life Fitness T-Series treadmills are so advanced they can actually be personalized for different users in your household using our exclusive My Treadmill feature. They'll store personal settings, favorite programs, and custom programs for up to 4 users in your household. Program them to remember your age, weight, favorite workout for a specific day of the week, preferred walking or running pace, preferred incline levels, you name it. Offering the ultimate in customization, Life Fitness treadmills also offer programs that you can design yourself. Determine the time intervals for your speed and incline changes before the belt even starts moving, then hop on and give your own custom program a run. Or begin your workout and let the treadmill record every single control adjustment you make as you progress through the workout. Then save it and recall the recorded workout anytime. Put your heart on cruise control. Our patented HeartSync heart rate controlled programs can help you train for your specific fitness goals. Whether you want to burn fat, improve cardio endurance, or train for a specific sport, there's a HeartSync program for you. HeartSync programs automatically measure your heart rate and then adjust the treadmill incline so you stay in your target heart rate zone. And Life Fitness treadmills adjust the incline at 0.1% increments to dial in your heart rate gradually and accurately, ensuring that you get a safe workout that's in your target heart rate zone every time. Ultimate program variety, ultimate customization, ultimate convenience in the comfort of your own home. With the new Life Fitness line of treadmills, there's no limit to the goals you can achieve.